Found an ETB file from your billing application and need to access the data? This format holds your active time tracking and invoicing records. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with easy time billing data files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value ETB file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. An ETB file is a data file created by Easy Time Billing, a software application used for tracking work hours and generating invoices. Users create these files to store all their project information, client details, time logs, and billing records. The primary intent for opening this file is to manage or back up their business's financial data. This is a proprietary binary database file. The developer chose a custom binary format to encapsulate the relational data, clients, projects, time entries, efficiently, and protect it from casual editing. This structure ensures data integrity and prevents corruption that could occur if it were a simple text-based format. The initial software setup links the ETB file directly to Easy Time Billing by Easy Time Solutions. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows doesn't translate complex data structures, so specialized software is required to read them. To resolve the application failure, right-click your ETB file and choose Open With. Check for Easy Time Billing and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If you still can't open the ETB file, it's okay. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening an Easy Time Billing Pro. Install Easy Time Billing Pro, and the application automatically loads ETB files from its data directory. The active data appears in the application interface, ready for time entry, invoice generation, and client management. No manual file opening is required for normal application operation. Next, backing up active data. Create ETBP backup files regularly from your active ETB data through the application's backup function. Store backups separately from the active ETB file, protecting against corruption or accidental deletion. Multiple backup generations enable recovery to specific points in your billing history. Finally, migrating data. Transfer ETB files when moving. Easy Time Billing Pro to new computers, but prefer the ETBP backup approach for cleaner migration. The application's restore function provides better integration than direct file copying, which may create database consistency issues across systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.